the quote, God is dead from Nietzsche, like we have been trying to replace God for the longest time. And the only thing that we have found is ideology. And we are seeing how bad ideology is as a replacement for God. It just doesn't work.
Maybe a replacement for God is the self. Yeah, it's like maybe the long arc of history is going from the death of this God and everyone believing this external thing to the belief of ourselves.
Part of the biblical prophecy is that mankind will attempt every version of governance that it can think of until it inevitably fails and God has to take over. Like, that's the whole point of Armageddon. And so if you look at that from a metaphorical perspective, it's like, yeah, we're going to try every ego-based thing, because like communism on paper sounds great, but then you factor in the human being and what it is, and you understand why it never works. And so we keep coming up with these ideas of what should work, but they're out of alignment with what we really are. And so at a certain point, we're going to have to be like, all right, this isn't working. We are actually a thing with a nature, and we have to build our rules from the inside out rather from the outside in. And when we do that, then it's going to work.